Hey, you want to hear a little cleaning secret that professional cleaners talk about? We really like our clients. Like, I know I really like my clients, and I know many cleaners really like their clients. When you let a person into your home to perform a job, again, for me personally and for many cleaners, I know they feel the same way. We love our job or else we wouldn't be doing it. Trust me, cleaning your dirty toilet is not for the faint of heart. Seeing the stuff that you leave in your bedroom may not be for everyone, but I enjoy what I do. And I like to keep your secrets private and your home life private or your office life private so I can provide you the service that you require and that you pay me to do. So professional cleaners, we really love our clients and we value you as a client. And it hurts and it stings us when we're just dropped like that. I know things happen, maybe finances, and you can't afford a cleaner anymore, and I get it. But always keep in mind that we are human, and having a little grace and compassion if you do have to let someone go is nice. It would help us greatly if maybe you can recommend us to someone or give us several weeks notice like you would if you're quitting a job, like a 2 weeks notice, so that we can fill your spot with another client. Because as much as I love my clients, mama's got bills to pay. And Uncle Sam doesn't care that I just lost a client yesterday and they just told me 2 days ago. You know, we would love a little bit of compassion back. That's it. That's one of the secrets that we like to talk about. And when I mean secrets, I don't mean we're talking bad about our clients behind our back. I'm just giving these little quote unquote secrets out there to the universe so that people understand that being a professional cleaner is not something to be taken lightly or something that people should make fun of us for taking this on as a job, because we really like it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more if you want to see any. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.